her agency is known for bringing out-of-the-box solutions to complex industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and construction. Guiding one of the most creative teams in the business, Bonnie has led the Mauldin Group to establish itself as a local, national, and global marketing provider. Bonnie will speak on direct-to-consumer sales for manufacturing, and I am thrilled to welcome her to the virtual stage. Thank you.
Manufacturer's direct-to-consumer roadmap, how to start selling DTC. Are you ready? I am too. Let's get started. So step one is to build a new brand. As a manufacturer, you have the option of going DTC and building a brand new brand to offer your services and offer your products online directly to the consumer for sale. You need to think about your messaging. What is your company's origin story? And then think about the mission statement. What do you stand for? Who are you? And what is your mission? And think about your core values. Is it integrity? Is it respect? Is it customer service? And so when you're thinking about a brand, there are several things you want to be cohesive, collaborative, and consistent for your brand to be remembered and respected and to gain credibility. Think about the colors that you want to express your brand with. The logo needs to be commemorative of what it is that you do. Think about the images and the icons that you want to associate with your brand and create a logo that expresses that. Think about the signage that you're using in your building. Think about the uniforms that your team is wearing in their staff photos and when they're interacting with the customers. Think about the brochures that you can offer as the download on your website. Think about how that aligns with your colors, your logo, and also that messaging that we talked about earlier. So sales sheets, sales presentations need to be designed in that brand and in that messaging of your mission, your core values, and your origin story. Also, those business cards, there is some face-to-face business taking place, and you always want to pass along a card with your new branding on it. And car wraps, you get thousands of impressions when you drive around in a branded car with a nice design all over the car. It can be just on one side, it can be just on the back, on the window, or it can be the entire car wrapped in your brand. Think about your email signature. This is a place where your brand can be shown to hundreds of people a day just through the emails that your staff is using. And last but not least, our trade show exhibits. One day, we're going to get back to doing our trade shows all over again. So think about your brand and what colors you want to convey, what images you want to use in that branding. So brand is so important, whether you're coming up with a new name to represent your own white label product, or if you are using the same name to represent your company and now you are offering this product direct to consumer, DTC. Automation is what is going to make your business flow like a wave in the ocean. And you're adding automation so your website becomes like a workhorse. It's working for you 24/7, 365 days a year, okay? So chat boxes make things quicker, easier, faster, and it increases the conversion rate. And so having that chat box on your website is going to say, hey, we are ready to answer your questions. We are willing to support you right away. You do not have to wait with us. We're fast, we're responsive. Installment payment plans, people, put it on the site, make it available so you don't have to pay outright. And also make the option available to pay outright. DTC is where it's at. That's how you're going to build your brand. That's how you're going to grow your company. That's how you're going to stay relevant in the 21st century.